What's up, PVO squad? It's your boy Super Son, and I am back again with another video. As you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, the transmission is blown and not working in the Camry. So right now, I know you guys seen in the previous video, we have reverse, but we have no forward gears at all. So I did a little research, and it could possibly be the transmission solenoids. So I Googled it, I YouTubed it, and pretty much once you take off the transmission pan, the two solenoids sits literally right there. So what I'm gonna attempt to do, I am going to replace the transmission solenoids. I'm gonna replace both of them because I don't know which one is out. I'm gonna replace both of them, and hopefully we could get the daily back up and running, because don't get me wrong, I love Sky and I love driving the car, but when you stuck in traffic in a manual transmission car, it is not the best. Car's been neglected a lot since it's been down. I don't know when, but the tire's bald, it's on flat. But hey, let's try to get to it. Hopefully it's an easy fix. I want to say thank you guys for clicking on the video. Make sure you guys subscribe to the YouTube channel. Hit that subscribe button right now. And make sure you give it a fat thumbs up, and get in the comment section and leave me a thumbs up, hashtag PVO squad. Let me go in the house, grab the, go in the house, grab the jack stands. Let's get this thing up and let's get to work. Peace. All right, step one, drain transmission fluid. And here is underneath the car, here's the transmission pan. That is the bolt that you will need to take out the transmission. I do have Allen keys, so let me go get them and I'll be right back. Alrighty, I'm dripping in there, and it is a 10. The size of the bolt is a 10. There we go, got it right there, got the bolt out. We're gonna let this drip for a little bit, and then we'll start taking the screws out of the side, out of the transmission pan. Alrighty, we got the trans pan off. So here's the first solenoid, and there's the second one. We have to take off the transmission filter. It's tied in by this bolt and those two bolts right there, and then it's just those two bolts right here for the transmission solenoid, and it's two over there also. So hey, we getting there, Alrighty, transmission filter off, and it's those two bolts and those two bolts right there, and the solenoids. You got to take the clips off, and the solenoids come right out. Alrighty, there go both transmission solenoids, I should say. Disconnected them, there they go. So here we go to O'Reilly's, and hopefully they got them in stock. And I'm gonna say it one time, make sure you guys subscribe to the YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe button, turn on all post notifications so you get notified every time your boy posts a video. O'Reilly's, here we come. Alrighty, thank God I took out the old solenoids and brought them in, because they have so many different transmissions for that year that pretty much, and the brackets on the solenoids are different. So lucky I brought them. They don't have them in stock, but they are coming from Modesto, so they'll be in around, he said, 3 o'clock today. Paid for everything, got new transmission fluid, and hey, we just go wait for it. Alrighty, so while we pretty much wait, I'll go get them after I get the kids from school. So while we wait, that thing back there has an exhaust leak, and it irritates me. I can hear it when the car is idling. I can hear it when I'm gassing the car. So I'm about to jack that car up and see if I could fix it. The exhaust leak is right below the driver's seat. So let's get to it, man. I'm working on all these cars. I may even just drop a motor in there, even though I ain't got a motor. Alrighty, that's where the exhaust leak is. And I don't know, I'm gonna try to tighten them more just so it could seal it off. But yeah, I'm gonna tighten both of them actually, that side. Nope, still has the gasket. can hear it on the video, but it's still there. So on to the next. Alrighty, I found out where the car's hitting the body. There it go, right there. That's where it's tapping at. So annoying. I swear you could hear that even when the car is at idle. I gotta go check that side, but it's probably the same. So my fault, guys. It's hitting the control arm. It's both of them, honestly. So I don't know if I need to get a smaller pipe right here that goes over the axle or what, but it's hitting both sides. Alrighty, PVO squad, just left O'Reilly's. I have both parts. I am currently on a walk with the kids, so this will not be put on until we get back home. So I'll see y'all when we get back home. Peace. Alrighty, there go the old and the new. Now it's time to get those bolts back up in there, and hopefully it fixes it. So pretty much the next clip will be me starting the car. I got to put the transmission fluid in, and I'm gonna leave the car jacked up because it's front wheel drive. So I'm gonna put it in reverse, watch the wheels roll, neutral, make them stop, and put it in drive. Hopefully they spin forward. We'll see. Alrighty, pretty proud of myself. Everything's put back together, cleaned up. I made a little spill, but hey, it is what it is. I'll clean that up later. So let me pour the transmission fluid in. It takes about 2.5 to 3 quarts. I'm gonna pour 2 full in, and we go run off of that for a little bit. Like I said, I'm just hoping the front wheels do move and everything is good with this car, because I need to get this back on the road, because it's costing way too much money to drive that, and with gas prices raising up, all right, so let's go to it. Switch. 5 o'clock on the dot. Kids are hungry, so we're going to go get in and out. The car could be started or seen. I don't know if I'm gonna finish it today, depending on how much sunlight I have left, but next clip we go see if those solenoids fix the car. So I'll see you in a little bit. Good morning, PVO squad. It is officially the next day. Car has been sitting. Haven't tried it yet. I'm still kind of nervous to try it. Hopefully it does fix it. Just got home from dropping the kids off at school, so let me go in the house, get the keys, and we go see if it works. Alrighty, let's see. Check engine light still on, the trunk open, the emergency brake is up, and I'm not having mine. I don't have my seatbelt on. So, emergency brake down. It goes into reverse. Well, we knew that one. Neutral. Nothing. Nope. Still didn't change anything. That was money wasted. So, hey, let's go get towed to the shop and we go from there. But this was very, very disappointing. If you made it to the end of the video, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Turn on all post notifications so you get notified every time your boy posts a video. And I want to say thank you guys for rocking with me. I appreciate you guys more than you know. We go continue to grow and go. You already know PVO on the rise. And with that being said, I want to say thank you for taking time out of your day to watch me. I'm out. Peace.